Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you my recent go-to smoothie, and this smoothie is kind of tropical style and it tastes delicious. I like making it sometimes as a smoothie bowl and other times just to drink. But before we get into the recipe, I quickly wanted to mention that I just launched a website at the beginning of the month, and I will have a link to that in the description below. So make sure that you check it out, and you can also subscribe to the monthly newsletter so that you don't miss anything. And now let's get into the recipe. To prepare this smoothie, I use 2 to 3 cups of spinach, but you can use any greens of your choice, 1 cup of berries, half a cup of mango, half a cup of banana, and all the fruit can be fresh or frozen. Then I also use 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, half a tablespoon of maca powder, and half a tablespoon of spirulina. Once I have all my ingredients ready, I then add them into a blender cup. I like to add my greens in first, then my fruits, and finally the flax seeds, maca, and spirulina. And then it is time to add in the liquid. I like to use water, but you can also use any plant milk or juice of your choice. And I add between 1 to 2 cups of water depending on how thick or not I want my smoothie to be. Some days I like it to be a smoothie bowl, and some days I just like to drink it. So then once you have all of the stuff inside the blender cup, blend it up until smooth. Serve it into a bowl or a cup depending on what you chose that day, and enjoy! That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. If this was your first time here, make sure to subscribe in order to join the Living Life Simply community, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!